Good morning, students. A very good morning to all of you. In this video lecture, we are going to start a new chapter that is lines and angles. So without any delaying, let us start the class. I hope you can see the screen clearly. Okay. So first, we are going to discuss some basics. See, if two lines are parallel, then they will be given of same direction. If lines like these are given and the same direction was given, showing as arrow, then these two lines are taken as parallel. Okay, so if these two lines are parallel and this is an intersector, suppose this is L and this is M, this is parallel, and suppose AB line is an intersector. Okay, so suppose we are going to name them. LN MK, suppose this is C, this is D. Clear? Then these two angles are called vertically opposite angles. Angle ACL is equals to angle NCD. These angles are called vertically opposite angles. Clear? Similarly, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, alternative interior angle. See, if these two lines are parallel and some kind of Z is coming, see, right? Then this will be called an alternative interior angle. So this angle and this angle are alternative interior angles. Okay. So angle NCD will be equals to angle CDM. Okay. And these are called alternative interior angles. Fine. And then comes corresponding angles. See, these two lines are parallel. and both angles are of same direction. See, this is also in the above portion and this is also in the above portion. So these are called what? Corresponding angles. So suppose angle ACL will be equals to angle CDN. These are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And now we have allied angles or corresponding interior angles. So these two are called allied angles, okay? And their sum is 180 degree. So we write angle LCD and angle CDN. Angle LCD plus angle CDN will be equals to 180 degree, and they are what? Allied angles. Allied angles. So these are the few things that is needed in order to solve this exercise. So without delaying, let us solve the exercise. So exercise 7A we are solving now. Okay. We are solving from question number 2. Complementary angles. Remember, two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay. So complement of each of the angles, suppose 1. So complement of 55 degree will be equals to 90 minus 55 degree. Okay. Complement means 90 minus 55 degree. So we have 35 degree. Okay. Similarly, if I do question number 4, 2/3 of right angles. So first, let us find 2/3 of right angles. 2/3 of right angles means 2/3 of 90 degree. So that becomes 60 degree. So therefore, complement will be what? 90 minus 60. So we have 30. Let us do 3 ka 3. This supplement. Remember, supplementary angle means the sum becomes 180. So if an angle is given and its supplementary angle is required, we will subtract it from 180. Okay. Supplementary of each of the four angles. Suppose we are doing 3. So supplement of 124 degree will be equals to what? 180 minus 124. That means 56 degree. Okay. Now find 3/5 of right angle. Suppose we are doing the 4. So we have 3/5 of right angle. So at first let us find 3/5 of right angle. So 3/5 into 90 degree. So we have 54 degree. So easily you can find. Therefore, what 90, sorry, 180 minus 54. Okay, that is the answer. Fine. Let us do now question number 5. We have find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree more than its complements. Let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Because this is the unknown, we don't know it. So we have taken this to be x. And it says which is 36 more degree more than its complement. So complement will be what? Complement will be 90 minus x. So according to the question, what? 36 degree more than its complement. So angle is 36 degree more than its complement. Okay, clear? The angle here, that means x is equals to 36 more than that 36 plus complement. So complement 90 minus x. Now if you simplify, x comes here, so it becomes 2x, 126 degree. So we have x is equals to excuse me, 126 divided by 2. So we have 63 degree. Okay, students. So that is the required angle. Let us do question number 8. Find the angle which is 5 times its supplements. Very easy. So I'm doing it directly. Okay. Let the angle be x. So x will be equals to 5 times its supplement. 5 times its supplement. Supplement means what? 180 minus x. Very easy. So that means 6x will be equals to 5 into 180. And that means x will be equals to 5 into 180 divided by 6. So 150 degree. Okay. Let us do question number 9. Question number 9 says find the angle whose supplement is 4 times its complement. So supplement is 4 times complement. Very easy. Let the angle be x. There. Now just simplify. 180 minus x becomes 360 minus 4x. So 4x goes here. So 4x minus x. 180 goes here. So 360 minus 180 becomes 180 degree. That means 3x will become 180 degree. That means x will become 60 degree. So that's the answer. Okay. Let us do question number 11. 11 says two complementary angles are in the ratio 4:5. Very easy this sum. So complementary angles. Ratio given what? Ratio given 4:5. Therefore, angles are 4x, 5x. Fine, because you common ratio have taken x. Let common ratio is equals to x. Remember, if ratio is given, you take common ratio. And then you multiply each of the numbers by that common ratio. So you get the required angles. Here, in this case, angles. It may be some other thing for other cases. Okay. Angles are 4x and 5x. So since they are complementary, their sum becomes 180 degree. Now, they are complementary given. So 4x plus 5x becomes 180 degree. That means 9x becomes 180 degree. That means x becomes 180 by 9. That means 20. Last in this exercise, question number 12. So find the values of x for which the angles this and this are the complementary angles. So very easy, since they are complementary, their sum becomes 180 degree. So according to the question, 2x minus 5 plus x minus 10 is equals to 180 degree. That means 3x minus 15 is equals to 180 degree. That means 3x is equals to 180 plus 15, 195 degree. That means x will be 195 by 3. That means 65 degree. But remember, in our previous sum, they asked us the angles. So here I forgotten to write. Here angles would be, angles are, see, 4x and 5x. 4 into 20, that means 20 degree into, writing direct. 4x, that means 4 into 20 degree equals 80 degree. And 5x, that means 5 into 20 degree. That means okay. Therefore, x is equals to 65. We can discuss. Here, the only thing that they ask is the value of x. We find the value of x. Okay, students. Fine. So this is it, students. In this exercise, we have solved. In this video lecture, we have solved exercise 7A, as well as we have learned few basics of lines and angles. This is the whole thing for today's class. Okay, students. Fine. So see you in the next class in another video lecture. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.